The cat that talked. A girl had a little cat. She loved her cat. She went to the shop with her cat. She went to the park with her cat. She loved her cat. The other day, she was sitting with her cat in the park. She said, "I love you, little cat. You are never bad. You are fun, but you cannot talk to me, and that makes me sad." The cat said, "I can talk to you.